Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Bad brakes often make a distinctive squealing or grinding noise when applied. This sound is usually a clear indicator that the brake pads are worn out and need replacement. Ignoring these sounds can lead to more severe damage to the brake rotors or drums, resulting in higher repair costs. Regular inspections and prompt replacements of brake components are crucial for safe driving.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.